Hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create this highly converting video ads using my exact framework that me and my client use to generate multiple leads and sales. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so don't miss any video like this, right? So what is video ads? So video ads is basically where you click on any type of video and then suddenly it come out and ads talking about something, alright? It's a video ads, okay? So there are a lot of video ads, alright? So there is high production video ads, there is low production, which I always use it, okay? So I record the video ads using just a camera like this, alright? So, and you can do it as well, you don't need fancy equipments, alright? So, and I'm going to share with you the exact framework, okay? So video ads, maybe in another video I can talk more about what are the equipments that you need, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the framework, alright? What are the exact step-by-step you need to say in the video to proven convert leads, alright? So first step, what you need to do is you need to have an attention grabbing hook, alright? So this is very important. I see a lot of people, they start their video ads by talking about some nonsense things, right? So you don't need to do that, alright? Because people don't care about nonsense. Some of the video ads that I see, they start with introduction. Hey, this is Kamin Choo here, hello. Nobody care who you are, right? But what people care about is how this video going to help them. So always start with a question, alright? Start your video with a question. Let's say for example, like I start this video, alright? So how many of you would like to learn how are you going to create a highly converting video ads using this 5-step framework? So these are the things that you need to start with your video, alright? So start with a powerful headline and attention grabbing, right? So here's what I love to do, alright? So I love to start with how are you going to solve certain problems without pain, struggle or pain, right? Because people hate to do something. Let's say for example, how are you going to generate high quality leads online without cold calling, right? Yeah, you can start something like that. You can start with a strong statement, right? So you need to think about for your business, what are the hook that you can use to attract your customer. How would you like to lose 10 pounds in a month without going to the gym and without quitting your favorite food? Part 2, alright? So first one is you need to have attention grabbing. Second part you need to intro yourself, alright? Because people was like, okay, these people got my problems, right? But who the hell is this person, alright? So remember, you don't start with introduction, you start with question and then intro yourself, alright? I always introduce myself after the problems. Introduce myself, hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a lead generation system that generates you unlimited leads, alright? So you can introduce yourself like, hey, this is Kamin Choo here. I help stay-at-home mom, I help married couple lose 10 pounds without going to the gym and quitting their favorite food, and can save a lot of time without preparing a lot of healthy food, alright? So something along those lines. So first step is attention grabbing. Second step is introduction. So quick introduction about who you are, what you do. Over the past 5 years, I help business owner and entrepreneur like you build a lead generation system that generates unlimited leads. Okay, you can go something like this, alright? So again, first one is attention grabbing, second one is introduction, and third one is your offer, right? Or you can talk about problem first and then offer later. Sometimes I just mix around with this framework. Let's say for example, let's use problem first. Right, so most business owner and entrepreneur, what they do right now is they are using the old traditional method. They rely on referral, they do roadshow, and they are spending a lot of time spamming on social media, and they are wondering why the hell they didn't get a lot of leads. It's because they are using the old method. So you see, I go to the problems, alright, the problems currently business owner what they do, alright. So let's say if I using fitness, alright, so a lot of Malaysian, what they do right now is they are overweight. There are a lot of food. Most of the Malaysian business owner or Malaysian married couple, what they do is based on the data, a lot of them are overweight. You can say something along the line, but remember this, in video ads you need to be careful about the word overweight. You can replace with people live unhealthy lifestyle, right? So instead of using the word overweight, alright? So yeah, this is just an example. And then the fourth is you share with them the solution. Alright, what are you prepared for them or offer? So here's what I do. Right now I prepare a 2 hours training on how you solve certain problems. If you are interested in joining the training, so I want you to click on the link. So this is the 5th, alright? So the 5 step of this framework is called call to action, right? So again, let me repeat. So first one is attention grabbing hook. Second one is introduction. Third is problems. And then solution. After solution, you immediately end with call to action. So these are the 5-step framework that you can use for your video ads. Usually these video ads, it takes you 1 to 2 minutes time. Okay, remember, don't put too long video ads. I see some video ads take up to 10 minutes, so nobody care about long commercial video. So if you are offering something, keep it short, alright, because people attention span is very short right now. So keep it between 1 to 2 minutes will do. Alright, so hope this video is going to help you. If you found this video ads framework is very helpful, please share with your friend, right? And also don't forget to smash the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so don't miss any video like this, because I'm committed to deliver high value video for all of you. Alright, so again, share this video to your friends, entrepreneur, coaches, consultant friends, because I believe this is going to help them, and also going to help me as well. It's going to help me reach out to more people. Alright, so thanks for your help and appreciate that you stay until the end. Alright, so see you all in the next video.